Hi students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, after long days we are going to learn the online teaching, isn't it children? Okay, today we are going to see the subject English only, and we are going to learn the new lesson. We are going to learn the new lesson, the magic part. The magic part. Understood children? Okay. We are going to learn the story about the magic part. Okay. In Pataliputra, it's a name of a place. Okay children? In Pataliputra, there was a poor woodcutter and his name was Subhadatta. His name was Subhadatta. One day when Subhadatta was cutting wood, he has a work of the cutting wood. Cutting wood means what? Maram vettradu. Okay children? In the forest, he saw 4 yakshas. Yakshas means what? Who children? See, in mythology, heavenly beings said to guard the riches of the gods. In mythology means Puranangal, we say in Tamil Puranangal, Palangalathu, under the olden age, okay, days, okay children, there the yakshas will be guarding the riches of the gods. They are called yakshas, okay children. And the Subhadatta was seeing 4 yakshas. They were dressed in the beautiful silk cloths. Silk cloths means what? Pattu. Understood children? And shining jewelry. Can you see the pictures here children? See here, see they are wearing, and they are wearing jewels also. And he is the woodcutter, the poor woodcutter. He is the poor woodcutter. And see 4 yakshas are standing by the side. Okay children? Okay. Subhadatta was thinking that the yakshas will always get angry. Yakshas will get always angry and they will curse. So curse means what children? In mythology, words that cast a spell to hurt or punish. What they will say, no, saabam viduvanga, they will tell, isn't it? Curse means the saaba vaate. So what he thought, the yakshas will always get angry and they will throw words on him. So what happened? Subhadatta was trembling in fear. His legs were trembling with fear. However, these yakshas were kind people. They were all kind people. But he was thinking that they are all cruel people. So the yakshas are asking, who are you? They are asking. So Subhadatta was very scared. So very gently he is telling, I am Subhadatta, a woodcutter. My master, he is replying. So the yakshas looked at his torn clothes. He was wearing torn clothes and he was having a thin body. He was having a thin body. So as by seeing the condition of the poor woodcutter, what the yakshas was thinking, we have to help him. We have to help him. They were talking to them and then they were asking, they said to him, work for us for 1 month. We will reward you well and you will never be hungry again. So what they are telling, you come and work for us so that we will give you money and you will never be hungry again. So like that he is telling. So the Subhadatta was very happy and he is telling, then what about my family? For 1 month I cannot see my family, then how they will be surviving? Like that he is asking the yakshas. So what the yakshas are telling, tonight we will send you to your wife in a dream. So what they are telling, we will send you in the dream. So that you go and tell your wife that I will come after 1 month. Like that. So like that he also he had a dream for his wife, like that. Why? That Subhadatta will work for, he is talking to his wife in a dream that I will be working for the yakshas for 1 month and I will return back. So see, so you will tell her that you are safe and that you will return after a month. In the morning, when she wakes up, she will find money and clothes by her side. See what they are telling. In the morning, when she wakes up, your wife will be seeing money and clothes by her side. So he told everything to his wife and he came from the dream. So then I gladly work for you. So what now? Subhadatta was very happy that his wife and children will be safe. So what he did? Okay, now I will work for you. Like that he was happily telling to the yakshas. So Subhadatta went with the yakshas. They bathed in the river. he helped them dress in silks, which they produced out of nowhere. See what they did. They went and took a bath in the river. Can you see here? In the river they took bath and they gave their new dress, that is silk. He has never seen the dress anywhere. So like that they gave the dress in silks, and then he laid out the gold plates. And what the Yakshas is still doing, they are giving the wild gold plate to Subhadatta. They gave gold plate to Subhadatta. And after receiving the plate, Subhadatta is asking, where is the food? There is no food, like that he is asking. So one of them smiled. One of the Yakshas smiled and said, we know that. Take this pot. And he gave Subhadatta a beautiful pot. See, children, can you see this pot, children? See, they gave a beautiful pot in Subhadatta's hand. Put your hand inside and make a wish. What they are telling? Put your hand inside and make a wish. Whatever you want will come out of it. So they are telling, if you put your hand inside and whatever you wish, you can get from the pot. So what Subhadatta did? Subhadatta thought of delicious pulao. First he thought of delicious pulao and put his hand in the pot. Lo and behold, he had rice in his hand. Then he thought of meat and other tasty food. So he got pulao, and then he thought of meat and tasty food. And the dishes appeared before him. He took that food he kept the food on the gold plates, and what he did, he started to eat. And he set them before the Yakshas. What a wonderful part, he said after the meal. See, he had the food nicely. And then he is telling, what a wonderful part, because whatever he thinks, the wishes that he is getting from the pot. So Subhadatta worked with the Yakshas for a month. For 1 month he is working very hard. So one day the Yakshas said to him, you have served us well, we will give you anything you ask for. So now the Yakshas are telling, see, you have served for a month. So what you can do? You asked what you want, you ask, we will provide you. But what Subhadatta was telling? Subhadatta was very eager in that magic pot only. So what he did? He asked, I will take the magic pot, my masters. Like that Subhadatta is telling. So, but what the Yakshas are telling, if you break the pot, it will return to us. So they are telling, if you break the pot, you can't get the pot again. It will return to us. So you ask something else. But what Subhadatta is telling, no, I want the pot and nothing else, said Subhadatta. So then they take. So what the Yakshas did. So you take it like that. They gave the pot to the Subhadatta. Subhadatta took the pot and went to home. His wife and children are very happy. Can you see the Subhadatta's family? See, Subhadatta, his wife and 2 children. Okay, children. So see, showing the gold and all to his wife. So he was very happy to see them. He showed the magic pot. He drew out beautiful clothes and shining jewels from it. They were wonderstruck. Wonderstruck means what, children? Surprise. Felt admiration and surprise. Okay. So what they did, they also had food, everything he gave to his wife. And then what is thinking, can we give a feast for all our neighbors? Like that Subhadatta was asking to his wife. So he's telling his wife, we will give a nice feast for the neighbors, but don't tell them that the food comes from this magic pot. So wife also said, okay, we will invite, but we will not tell from where the food is coming. Okay, so they invited 100 guests. How many guests they invited? 100 guests, and they served them the most delicious food they had ever eaten. So what the neighbors are telling, you are just a poor woodcutter. Where did you get the money? to buy such food, good food, like that they are asking. The guests all are asking. But what? Subhadatta grinned to himself but kept quiet. We can say grinned means you can say smiled also you can say, scared also you can say. Okay, children? So Subhadatta was a little scared only, because if he says that food comes from the magic pot means they will think somewhat. So what he did, he was Subhadatta smiled to himself but kept quiet. He smiled, that's all. He didn't open his mouth. So he was afraid that someone would steal his pot. If he says someone will take the pot and they will take home. So he was afraid to tell the magic pot. But the neighbors were very curious. Curious means what? Arvam they will tell, isn't it? They wanted to know somehow where you got the food. So they were asking, hey, please tell from where you got this food and all. So they were kept on asking them. At last Subhadatta could not stop himself from boasting. Boasting means what? Showing off. Boasting means what? Showing off. So he thought, okay, we will let them know, because he was also very anxious to tell them. So he brought the pot out and said, see, the yakshas gave me this magic pot. See, the yakshas gave me this magic pot because I worked so hard. It gives me anything I want. So I worked hard for the yakshas, so they gave me the magic pot. So this magic pot is giving me what all I ask. Like that he is telling. So Subhadatta, what he did, he was very proud now. So he started dancing with the pot in his hand. So he was keeping the pot in his hand and he started to dance. And then horror of horrors. Horror of horrors means what, children? Shocking. Horror of horrors means shocking. What happened? The pot slipped from his hand. As he was keeping the pot in his hand and dancing, what happened? The pot slipped from his hand and broke. He quickly started picking up the pieces. He was he got scared and he was picking the pot pieces and he wanted to gather it. But as soon as what happened? For a moment, everyone saw the whole pot and then it vanished. What happened? He was gathering the pieces to put them together again. But for a moment, everyone saw the whole pot. What happened? It vanished. Vanished means what? It was gone. So what happened? Subhadatta cried. If only I had not been foolish enough to boast. What? Boast means what? That only showing off. If I not have done this one about the pot, it would still be here. What a fool I am. Now he is realizing what a fool I am. So, but nothing could bring the pot back now. See, now what happened? He cannot get food from the pot. He cannot get food from the pot again because the pot has been vanished away. So, Subhadatta, what he is doing now is Subhadatta went looking for the yakshas many times, but he never saw them again. Always he is going. He is always going to the forest to see the yakshas, but he couldn't see the yakshas again. Okay, children. So, what we learn from this story, children, we should not boast ourselves. We should not, what we have to be satisfied. We should not be boasting ourselves that we are rich, like that. We should not boast ourselves. If we do like that, what will happen? See, like this, how foolish was Subhadatta. He lost his magic pot. Isn't it, children? So if he doesn't boast of means, the magic pot will be with him itself and he should have led a happy life. But he lost that one. Isn't it? So we should not boast ourselves. Okay, children, I'll read for you this lesson. So you can only this first page I'll be reading. Okay, children. Okay, see, mythology means what I said, Puranangal, isn't it, children? But in English, see, a popular belief that is probably not true. Karpanai Kadai we will tell, isn't it, children? That is called mythology. Understood, children? Karpanai Kadaigal. Okay. Okay, see. In Pataliputra, there lived a poor woodcutter called Subhadatta. One day, when Subhadatta was cutting wood in the forest, he saw 4 yakshas dressed in beautiful silk cloths and shining jewelry. If they get angry with me, they will curse me, Subhadatta thought, his legs trembling with fear. However, these yakshas were kind people. Who are you? They asked Subhadatta gently. I am Subhadatta, a woodcutter, my masters, he replied. The yakshas looked at his torn clothes and thin body and decided to help him. They said to him, work for us for 1 month. We will reward you well and you will never be hungry again. But what about my family? Subhadatta asked. Tonight we will send you to your wife in a dream, said the yakshas. Okay, we'll read this page also. You will tell her that you are safe and that you will return after a month. In the morning, when she wakes up, she will find money and clothes by her side. Then I will gladly work for you, my masters, said Subhadatta happily. Subhadatta went with the yakshas. They bathed in the river. He helped them dress in silks which they produced out of nowhere. Then he laid out the gold plates which too they produced magically, but there was no food. There is no food, my masters, he said to the yakshas. One of them smiled and said, we know that, take this pot, and he gave Subhadatta a beautiful pot. Put your hand inside and make a wish. Whatever you want will come out of it. Subhadatta thought of delicious pulao and put his hand in the pot. Lo and behold, he had a rice in his hand. Then he thought of meat and other tasty food. The dishes appeared before him. He put the food on the gold plates and set them before the yakshas. What a wonderful pot, he said after the meal. Subhadatta worked with the yakshas for a month. Then one day they said to him, you have served us well. We will give you anything you ask for. I will take the magic pot, my master, said Subhadatta. If you break the pot, it will return to us. Ask for something else, said the yakshas. But I want the pot and nothing else, said Subhadatta. Children, I have read this 2-page. What you have to do, you also read this lesson. So if you read this lesson, it will be very easy for you children. It will have a good habit, reading habit. It will improve your knowledge also. You can understand also. Children, so you read this page, you read this homework is what you have to read this lesson. You tell your parents to guide you and you can read this lesson to your parents. And next one, this 5 synonyms I have given. 5 synonyms I have given. What you can do, you can write these synonyms 2 times and you can send it to my personal WhatsApp or in the Google Classroom. See, yakshas means what? Heavenly beings said to guard the riches of the gods. Curse, words that cast a spell to hurt or punish. Grinned means what? Scared, or you can say smiled. Understood, children? Grinned means what? Scared or smiled. Wonderstruck, felt admiration and surprise. Felt admiration and surprise. Boasting, showing off. Boasting, showing off. Okay, children, what homework? You have to read lesson 5. You have to read lesson 5. No one should avoid that one. You have to all should read that lesson, and then see, only 10 to 20 students are sending the homework. This time I should see all the children should send this homework. You have to write 2 times. How many times, children? You have to write 2 times and you have to send it to me in Google Classroom or personal WhatsApp number. Okay, children? So that you will do this one. All of them will be doing this one, I hope. Okay, children? We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.